Hi, and welcome back to my orchid life. So what we have in front of us is a box from Orchid Web, which is Orchid's limited website. I don't remember ordering anything from them, so I am out on my front porch and I'm watering the Vanda, as one does when it's hot outside and Vandas are thirsty. And the FedEx truck pulls up and walks up my driveway, and I'm giving him this weird look, and he says, "Trish?" And I'm like, "Yeah." And he hands me the box. So let's see what's inside. So I did not find any paper in here, so I don't know if they just forgot to put it in here. It does have my name on it, my address, so I guess it is for me. So let's just see what we've got in here. There's one, there's two, and there's a little ice pack that was in there that's nice and liquefied now. It's about 99 degrees outside here in Colorado. All right, well, let's see what we have. And hopefully I'll find out who sent these. The package though is still cool, so that's pretty good because the box was pretty hot. I have let it sit for a little bit to kind of get a little more acclimated. And let's see what we've got here. Okay, it's a mount that is rather dry. Looks like Tolumnias. Let's see. Well, there is no tag, so I'm not sure, but let's see. Got this off. But it does look like it is Tolumnias, and they are rather dry. So there's 1, 2, 3 on this one. And it must have been recently mounted because it is like really, really loose on here. I may have to tighten this up. There's that one. And I'm not sure how Tolumnias are supposed to look as far as health-wise. So, and I'm not even sure if this is a Tolumnia. So I'll look later. So if you can verify that, go ahead and leave it in the comments down below. Oh, there is a tag. Ah! Oh, it is a Tolumnia. Tolumnia variegata. Awesome. All right. I believe, if I remember correctly, I think the variegata is the white one with like the reddish brown on it. If I can find a picture on their website, I'll post it. Let's see what this one is then. Probably another mount. Let me keep this with this. Oh, looks like something with a lot of little roots, so it's probably another Tolumnia mount. Oh, and it is. Okay. Nice. And this one has 1, 2, 3, 4 on it. And the root, oh, look at the roots on that one. My goodness. Let's see. Oh, and this one has a tag as well. So it is the Tolumnia hoxiana. Is that how you say that? Hoxiana? Again, I'll have to go on the website and see if I can grab a picture and see what these look like. But that is really cool. Again, did not order these, so I'm not sure where they came from. So I guess thank you to whoever sent them. If you are watching, and if you're not, I will have to find out who did send them, and again, just say thank you. Now I do know that Tolumnias, these are gonna have to be watered minimum twice a day in my environment because I don't have the high humidity. Especially this one with all the fancy roots coming out here. And again, it looks like it was recently mounted, but this one looks like it's a little more secure on there. It's a little tighter. There we have it, ladies and gentlemen. We have the Tolumnia hoxiana and the Tolumnia variegata. And this one only has 3 on there. Let's see, is it just 3 or is there more than 3? Because it looks like there's one hidden up under here. I don't know if that's just 1 or if that's 2 up under there. But in any event, there we have it. Just a quick surprise unboxing. And if anybody has any idea on what I need to do with these, obviously I'm gonna have to do a little more research. I was planning on getting some Tolumnias, but I was gonna wait until spring and order them. But I guess I have them now. All right, well, have a great day, guys. Great weekend, and we'll see you on the next one.